There was a time when meals did more than just fill a plate. They kept families alive through the coldest winters, stretched pennies when wallets were empty, and powered entire communities during hard days. But most of these life-saving dishes, they're barely a memory now. Stick around. By the end of this, you might just find a forgotten meal that could change your kitchen forever. Most of us grew up with quick fixes, microwaves, takeout, store-bought shortcuts. But my ancestors? They leaned on meals that were simple, hearty, and built to last. Every single ingredient had a purpose. These weren't just recipes, they were survival tactics. So today, I'm looking at 10 forgotten meals, why they mattered, and what we're missing by leaving them behind. Let's start with stone soup. This one's legendary, a real community dish. People tossed what little they had into one pot, creating a meal that fed everyone. It's proof that sharing, even scraps, can make something amazing. Next, liver and onions. Not everyone's favorite now, but in lean times it was a game changer, packed with iron, protein, and vitamins. It fueled workers and families when meat was rare. These days, most folks pass it by, but its nutritional power is unbeatable. How about hardtack and stew? Sailors, soldiers, pioneers, they survived on this. Hardtack is a dried bread that lasts for months. Dip it in stew, and suddenly you've got fuel for the long haul. It's a symbol of endurance, even if it's not gourmet. Hoppin' John, rice and beans, with all the protein and none of the cost. It kept families fed, especially during lean winters. Split pea soup, slow-cooked peas, bones, and root vegetables. It's cheap, filling, and was once a weekly staple. Now, most reach for canned soup or skip it altogether. Cornbread and buttermilk, straight from the farm kitchen, high energy, probiotic, and kept people going all day. Easy, cheap, and deeply satisfying. Boiled dinner or pot meal, meat scraps, cabbage, potatoes, carrots, all in one pot. It fed large families with minimal fuel and time. Fried salt pork and beans, heavy, calorie-rich, meant for people working dawn till dusk. If you did hard labor, this meal kept you standing. Porridge or grain mash, before cereal, this was breakfast. Simmered grains kept hunger away for hours, for just pennies. And cabbage and potato hash. During wars, when food was scarce, these two humble veggies were the backbone of survival. Simple, salty, sustaining. So why did we stop? Convenience outpaced nourishment. But now, with prices rising and health slipping, these meals are more relevant than ever. They offer real nutrition, lasting fullness, and a connection to our roots. If you found a spark in one of these dishes, bring it back. Cook it, share it, pass it on. That's how traditions survive. Like and subscribe to join the family. There's so much more to discover.